Hey, excuse me. Can you help me? I want to go to SM Bacoor. Do you know where is SM Bacoor?
Matagal kong kaya. Matagal kong kaya. Matagal kong kaya.
I just know here in Manila. I I I just know here in Manila. Where's going to SM Bacoor?
Asin Bacor.
Yeah.
Dire-diretso. Tapos may top light.
Okay. Hey brother, I'm sorry to bother you. I just want you to ask questions because I'm lost right now. I'm going to SM Bacoor. I don't know where exact way going to that location. Can you help me? Can you help me where to find SM Bacoor? Hi ma'am, excuse me. Can I ask you something? I've lost right now. I just need help because I want to meet my friends at SM Bacoor. I don't know where to find. Yeah. Oh. Sorry. Sorry. Okay, I'm going straight.
Not familiar ka. Not familiar.
Oh, okay. So, I'm so sorry to bother you, ma'am, because I want to meet my friends there. Okay, salamat po. Thank you. Ingat po. Prank lang pa, prank lang. Ang galing mag-English ni ma'am. Grabe. Okay, how about this one? Hi, ma'am. I'm sorry to bother you, ma'am. I just need help. I just need help. I just want to meet my friends at SM Bacoor. Do you know where SM Bacoor? Go, go, going straight. Going straight. And then, okay. Sorry, I can't understand Tagalog, ma'am.
Jollibee. Straight ahead.
Straight ahead. Okay. Thank you so much. And then, I going straight. No, no left and right. Just straight. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Ang galing niya nanay, di ba? Hi, ma'am. Excuse me. I just need help because I'm lost. I'm going to SM Bacoor, but I don't know how to go there. Sorry, I can't understand Tagalog because I'm from USA. I don't have load because I can't waste the I can't waste the SM Bacoor. Can you help me? Can you help me go there?
I cannot help you because I'm going to school.
Oh, you're going to school? Oh, I'm very sorry. I'm just send me some help.
You need to ask somebody.
Can I ask Angkas biker? Can I ask Angkas biker? Can I ask? Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Hala, nagulat siya. Hala, hala. Hi, ma'am. Can I help you? Can you help me, ma'am? I'm lost. I want to go to SM Bacoor. I don't know how to go there. You don't know how to go there. Going straight? Okay. I just want to meet my friends there. I just want to meet, but I've lost. I don't know. I don't have load. You don't know po. Hey, excuse me. Can you help me? I want to go to SM Bacoor. Do you know where is SM Bacoor?
Matagal kong kaya. Matagal kong kaya. Matagal kong kaya.
I just know here in Manila. I I I just know here in Manila. Where's going to SM Bacoor?
Asin Bacor.
Yeah.
Dire-diretso. Tapos may top light.
Okay.